MICROMAX Canvas Selfie free, and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you would like to capture. So in my case, it could be simply the list of settings. Let's assume that I would like to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys for a few seconds. Let me show you. As you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you again. Let's hold down together, power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just capture the screen. Now if you would like to share, edit or do something with your pictures, with your screenshot, you need to find the screenshot folder. You can do it by using upper bar and tapping screenshot captured, or you can also accomplish that by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the gallery right here, and from gallery you can choose your screenshots and you can share, edit, delete or do other stuff with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.